Have you ever tried to make your own Netflix clone website within your own web hosting? If yes, this is your right place. I'm Ismail, 2 years of web development experience. I'm certified from Google, and in this course, I will be your teacher and I will show you how to create your own Netflix clone website with the same feature and with the same options. Okay, so let's see the demo of the script we are going to build. So here we are in our Netflix.com, and this is my full script of my clone Netflix website in my local host. So I will show you the differences on the features. Okay, this is Netflix, the original website, and we have a background with the login option, and then we have here some hidden text and sub-hidden text also, and then we have a call to action button, and then we have the logo here. If we go into my clone website, you will find that I have the logo, the sign-in option, the hidden text, and the call to action button with the same background. If we scroll down, we'll find 3 options here, and if we scroll down in my clone website, we'll find the same. We have here some description here with the call to action button and the background that explain the description, and here the same. The difference is just the design is a little bit looks difficult or how can I say different. If we see here, there is some space between the image and the text hidden or the header, and here it's looks like the image is there's no space between the image and the text. If we click on the second options, which you can see in multiple devices, which is responsive, and in my case, or in my local host or clone Netflix, you will find that the same thing. There is or you can watch your movie in any place you want. So let's see the membership option. Here there is 3 kinds, which are the essential, standard, and premium. And for my clone, the same thing: basic, standard, and premium, with some prices and some of who can say the options or the features. For example, for the basic, you can see just in 1 screen, and for the standard, 2 screen and more. Okay, and of course with different prices and different options. Great. So there is a fur. I don't like to use a fur much, but you can do whatever you want or add whatever you want. You can change your background and the options and more. I will show you in this course how to do all of that in an easy way. Okay, you don't need to be a programmer or something like that. You have to follow my steps and work as I do. Okay, and then if we click on join today or for free, a trial, for the Netflix, you will have this option, and you can choose one of the membership options. But in my website, on my script, you will find that you can or a member can join for free, and then once he add his information, for example, let's type my email, gmail.com, with the password. Let me say the password is admin. Click register. After that, he will face that he should choose one of those 3 options. You can make a free package for a standard one, okay, with some of the feature if you want, and so on. So you can also, there's an option which is to pay via PayPal or Stripe, and I will show you how to create a PayPal account with a Stripe account. Okay, so this is my course all about. So if you are curious about how do I make this website or the Netflix clone website, All you have to do, enroll the course and join creating your own movie sharing website. So see you in the next courses.